Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you 10 easy gig idea for Fiverr. From this video you can learn from 10 most easiest gig idea and high revenue generate gig idea from Fiverr. So first, what is Fiverr? Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where freelancers give their services, and this is very popular platform to make money. So first, what is the first gig idea? First, transcription. You can do transcription service or transcription related gigs in Fiverr. Transcribed audio or video files into text. That means you have audio or video files from your client and then you generate this into text. You can do proofreading. Proofread and edit documents for grammar, spelling and punctuation errors. So you can create gig on proofread. You can do writing articles, blog posts and other content. Designing, create graphics, logo and other visual content. So you can need to create gigs on design. Next, translation. You can do translation and create translation gigs. Translate text from one language to another. Data entry. Enter data into spreadsheets or database. This is easy work for all people. Customer service. You can create gig on customer service, answer customer questions and resolve issue. Okay. Next, social media management. Social media management gigs are also available and valuable in this 2024. Manage social media accounts, create and schedule posts and engage with followers. Next, web development. Create and maintain websites. This is very popular and high revenue generate gig. App development. If you are expert in app development, you can provide app development service in Fiverr. So in app development, you can develop mobile apps. So this is our 10 easy gig ideas. So if you is skilled in any one skills or any one gig, you can provide this service. So first, transcription, proofreading, writing, designing, translation, data entry, customer service, social media management, web development and app development. So that's it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and stay connected with my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share my channel.